pieces, but there were these stars, and then it started to rain.
When you became a vampire, part of me was thrilled. Because suddenly there was this possibility I could have you in my life forever. But then the other part of me was devastated because I realized you lost the life that you wanted to have.
It started to rain, and then what happened, Damon?
And since I've been gone, you've gotten part of that life back. You're thriving, you're happy. Yeah, sure, maybe you'd be happy if we gave it another chance, but the truth is you're better off without me.
What are you talking about?
I died. You started over. I need you to live your life. Be happy. I love you, Elena. Enough to let you go.
It started to rain. What?
Got cold and muddy. You were miserable, so we got in the car and we drove home.
Come on. Time to abandon ship.
No, wait. Just give it a second. It'll clear up. Promise me this is forever.
I promise. Optimism. Buddy. You're still alive.
Hey, this is Adelaide Kane. An all-new episode of Rain is coming up next on the CW.
Hey, were you invited to Friendsgiving?
What, were you not invited?
All right, gather around. I'm a vampire.
You what?
Great.
Could someone please pass the rolls?
The Vampire Diaries, all new next Thursday at 8/7 Central on the CW.